Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 1 LO1. Understand the underlying rules relating to intellectual property laws. In this video, we will explore what intellectual property is and why it is essential today. Intellectual property covers the intangible creations of the human mind, and understanding the laws surrounding it is vital for protecting ideas, fostering innovation, and ensuring ethical use of others' work. This session will guide you through the key principles and implications of intellectual property in the modern world. Intellectual property is a form of property including transient human thoughts. Notable types include copyrights, licenses, and brand names. England introduced licensed inventions in the 17th century. The term intellectual property emerged in the 19th century. UK rights separated from EU rights after the Brexit transition period. Post-Brexit, UK separated from EU-wide rights. Extinguished privileges are now UK public liberties. Re-establishment fees are paid to UK authorities. Freedoms are enforceable as public privileges in UK courts. Minimal change occurred in the assurance frameworks. A UK patent requires a novel, inventive creation suitable for industrial use. Without an SPC, patents expire after a set term. Applications can be made to the UK IPO or EPO. The European Patent Convention governs the European patent system. SPCs extend patent periods for certain products. Intellectual property rights cover various subject matters. These include PC programs, product features, and modern designs. UK IPO registers new plans with individual participants. The Hague Agreement allows international registration of designs. Security duration for registered designs can last 25 years. Trade secrets are confidential information providing a competitive edge. Examples include recipes, software, and marketing strategies. Proprietary innovations are protected even if not registered. Breach of trade secrets can lead to legal actions. Organizations must actively protect their trade secrets. Patents protect unique, non-obvious, valuable inventions. They prevent others from making, using, or selling the invention. Patents are granted for a limited term. They cover strategies, machines, and products. Patents are crucial for protecting technological advancements. Copyrights protect original works like literature, music, and art. They automatically cover creations upon completion. Registering copyrights is essential for legal claims. Copyrights now include software and architecture. They differ from licenses, which protect inventions. Trademarks protect language, words, or images distinguishing products. They differ from patents and copyrights. Trademarks can last indefinitely with use. Registration isn't required but offers benefits. The Nike logo is a famous example of a trademark. The UN addressed TRIPS and its impact on non-industrial countries. TRIPS affects economic, social, and cultural rights. Issues include biotheft and access to licensed medicines. Intellectual property impacts rights to food and health. Public interest and IP rights often conflict. The Berne Convention protects creators' rights. It sets minimum assurance levels and special arrangements. Protection is automatic and independent of origin. The Paris Convention covers modern property aspects. NDAs help protect confidential information from breaches. The Paris Convention ensures protection for modern property. It offers public treatment for nationals of contracting states. Non-contracting state nationals also receive public treatment. NDAs outline terms for sharing confidential information. They help prevent unauthorized disclosure of secrets. NDAs protect confidential information shared between parties. They establish terms for secrecy and information sharing. Breaching an NDA can lead to legal action. Confidentiality is expected even without an NDA. Legal actions can prevent further data disclosure. Breaching confidentiality allows for legal recourse. Legal actions can seek compensation for losses. They can prevent further unauthorized information sharing. Reasonable expectations of confidentiality are crucial. Courts uphold confidentiality agreements and expectations. Intellectual property affects various societal aspects. It influences economic growth and innovation. IP rights can limit access to essential goods. Balancing public interest and IP rights is challenging. Understanding IP laws helps navigate these complexities. The future of IP laws is evolving with technology. Digital advancements challenge traditional IP frameworks. Adapting laws to new innovations is essential. Global collaboration is crucial for effective IP protection. Staying informed helps navigate future IP landscapes. Conclusion: intellectual property laws play a critical role in safeguarding innovations, ensuring that creators can benefit from their work while society continues to access and build upon new ideas. By balancing the rights of creators with the public interest, these laws provide a framework for fostering creativity, innovation, and economic growth. A thorough understanding of intellectual property legislation is therefore essential for effectively navigating the complexities of the modern knowledge-driven economy. If you have any questions, simply WhatsApp us at 074-843-61688. Our team will gladly provide support. Thank you, and see you in the next session.